All right, so that was a fun visit with Drew and Glenn. So yeah, check out their channels. Had a good breakfast with them, good visit.
Yeah.
So check out their channels, and we will see you in the next video. Hello, it is 10 to 11 Friday morning. Anyway, the video that you'll see before this one, we were visiting with some fellow YouTubers, and now Kevin and I are going to go about our day and take you along with us. Yeah, we're just going to this craft store that I'm looking forward to going to, and IKEA and whatever else. We're doing all these things on Friday instead of Saturday because we can, and because I have a ladies paint night on Saturday night, so we won't be able to go for a drive. Anyway, we will see what today brings. You gotta love it when Google tells you that something is somewhere and it's nowhere near there.
Well, it's not Google's fault. It's actually the business's fault because they haven't updated their information.
Yeah.
Somehow.
This craft store that we're looking for, it does not exist where it says it exists, and it's frustrating.
I'm almost thinking that's where it used to be.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. They must have changed, and I don't know, didn't update their stuff or something, but anyways, we will find it. It's, I think is it in that plaza up there? Yes, it is. It's up in this plaza, right up in here.
And where?
I think we found it. We'll see you in a bit.
No, it's not there.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
So, this craft store moved from where I knew I had gone before over to where Google was giving us. Talk about confusing, right? So now we're going...
Well, it's because of where it told us to turn.
Yeah.
I may have turned down the wrong. I don't know.
So, anyways, we will get there. Well, Kevin and I just got home from doing all our running around. My bad. I never picked up the camera at all when we were out. Oh, I have a haul video. So, let's have a look. So, the first thing, we went to 2 scrapbooking stores, and we went to IKEA. So I'll turn you around and we'll have a look.
I like how you say we went. I was forced to go.
Alright, so the one scrapbooking store, they had these packs of 10 sheets of paper for $5 each. So I haven't looked in to see what the inside ones are like, but those are pretty. And then went to another one. And these places, you know, they're quite pricey, so I don't typically buy too much at these places. But it's fun to see the little things that we can find, right? I did get myself a new brown ink pad because mine is worn out. And then these are so cute. They're little keys and different shapes for just embellishing things. And then I got some mirrored cardstock, the green, the blue, this copper. This one's kind of a, I don't know, a red gold? I don't know, something like that. That's all I got. Then for IKEA, we got these chocolates. They are very similar to a Score bar. Really good. These are the napkins that we absolutely love.
$2.99 a piece.
Yeah, $2.99, and there is 100 napkins, and they're really big, like really big. So we got 2 packages of those. This candy was on sale for $5.99 for the bag, and we needed a new laundry hamper. And how much was the laundry hamper?
What?
I think the laundry hamper was $9.99, wasn't it?
Yeah.
$9.99. What else? I got some wooden salad tongs. They were $2.99 each. Kevin got a brush for the dishes. I don't know how much that was because he picked that up. Let's have a look here. I don't know. I think it was like $3.99. We spent $66 total at IKEA. And this is a cord, an extra cord for our GoPro. How much was the GoPro cord?
What?
The cord for GoPro.
The small, like $2.99.
Oh wow, $2.99. And I got some more paintbrushes. They were $3.99. And I got a wooden rolling pin. I have a marble one, but it's just too heavy. I just can't do it anymore. I don't know how much it was. It was $8.99. And then we each got a Swiss chocolate bar. I like the hazelnut one. And then these are the baggies, and they are awesome. So you get in this bag, in this box, it's 50 bags, 2 different sizes, 2.5 liters and 1.2 liters, so 3 quart and 1 quart bags. And then in this box, you get 30, so you get 15 6 quart and 15 5 quart bags. And then this one is, you get 60, it's 30 of the 34 fluid ounce and 30 of the 14 fluid ounce. That's all we got. Not a lot. We're pooped. And that's the end of the day. Anyway, my bad. Just didn't pick the camera up. Hope everybody's having a great day. We'll chat another day.